starry night. Paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day. With eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Shadows on the hills. Sketch the trees and the daffodils. Catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors on the snowy linen land. Now I understand what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now. Starry, starry night. Flaming flowers that brightly blaze. Swirling crowds in violet haze. Reflects in Vincent's side of china blue. Colors changing hue. Morning fields of amber green, where the faces line in pen are smoothed beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you try to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night. Portraits hang on empty halls. Flameless head on nameless walls. With eyes that watch the world and can't forget, like the stranger you've met. The ragged men on ragged clothes, the silver thorn of bloody rose, like crushed and broken on the virgin snow. Now I think I know what you try to say to me, how you suffer for your sanity, how you try to set them free. They would not listen, they're not listening still. Perhaps they never will.